Hello Year 3. In this video I'm going to talk to you about what you're learning in this lesson. So I'm going to start by making myself small in the corner, and on this page here it tells you our learning intentions for today. So what I plan for you to learn today. So at the top it always will say the name of your topic. So our topic is oceans. And then underneath it says, today we are learning, and what we are learning to do is to make different tones, tints, and shades. You may know what those things are now, but we will definitely be talking about it today. And by the end of the lesson, that's what you should be able to do. And so today we will, in order to make different tones, tints, and shades, we will know how to change the tone of a colour by adding water, know how to change the tint of a colour by adding white, and know how to change the shade of a colour by adding black. Okay, so in there are 3 words that you may or may not know what they mean, and we're going to be talking about them today. I said the word, let me change the slide. I said the word tone. Tone in painting is how dark or how light a colour is. And we'll be talking some more about it later in the lesson. A tint is when we change a colour by adding white paint to it and making it lighter. And a shade is a colour that's been made darker by adding black. So let's see what I'm talking about. Have a look at this picture. This painting is by a famous artist called Van Gogh, and he has done, as we talked about, we're going to be making our own seascapes, and this is Van Gogh's seascape. Now if you look at this painting, you can see that there is a lot of blue. But is that blue just one tone? Is it just one kind of blue? No, there are lots and lots of different kinds of blue. So if we look at the sky, you can see there's a very light patch of blue sky here. It's a very light blue, but right next to it is a darker blue here. And then where the white parts are, the blue has changed again. Right at the top, there's an even darker navy blue here. And then if we move down, we've got a very dark blue across the horizon, splitting the sea and the sky. Then, if we come into the water, we have a greeny blue here, a dark navy blue here, an even darker navy blue here, and then a blue on this wave that is nearly black, it's so dark. Okay, and if you look, especially at this part of the painting, look how many different types of blue there are. And all those different blues we call different tones. In this painting there are many tones of blue. Let me show you a little more what I mean, because here are all the tones of blue that I can think of that exist. And it says here, tone is the lightness or darkness of a colour. So all of these colours, they are the same colour, they are all blue, but they are all different tones of blue. And if we want to make, let me just show you. I've been looking around my classroom to see if I could find a collection of tones of blue, and here are just some of those that I found. And maybe if you have a look around at home, you'll be able to find different tones of blue too. So if we want to, I told you before, we want to make our own seascapes. So if we want to make our own seascape, we need to learn how to make different tones of blue, because the sea isn't just one blue colour. And in this lesson today, this is what we will be doing. We will be learning how to make different tones of blue when painting. And if you can make different tones of blue, you can make different tones of any other colour by using the same technique that I will show you today. Okay. There are some other words that I left up as keywords in this PowerPoint, and I will talk to you about those words later on in the lesson. So, the next thing on your learning page today will be the video where I show you how to create different tones. Okay, bye for now, Year 3.